4L65 rebuild. Take two.
Watch it now.
I got my missing friction disc in the mail, and I've also got, oh shit, I just dropped it. And I also received the lip seals for the reverse input drum. I broke it. I went ahead and ordered 2 sets this time so that if I mess them up again, I already have a backup and don't have to wait on them. So, without further ado, I bring to you So today I went out there to finish up putting together the valve body. And while doing that, the shift kit that I had to install with the entire kit that I bought, had to pull the pump back out. Well, I had to pull the valves out of the pump to install parts of that kit. And while I was trying to pull that out with it still in the case, dropped one of the snap rings. So I had to pull the pump back out and pull out the drums and everything to find that snap ring. And it's a good thing that that happened, because as soon as I pulled the pump off, I saw the Teflon seals, the ones on the pump got torn up a little bit. So if I hadn't dropped that snap ring and had to pull that out, then that would have caused an issue later on, because both of them had tear in them. So good thing that happened. Silver lining, I guess you could say. So I'm order those new seals, new O-ring for the input shaft. Wait for those to get here, and then I should be able to put everything back together. Awesome.
Watch it now.